Guys, so today we are unboxing the Breville air humidifier, because especially in the winter, guys, it's always the air is very dry and the kids has always been sick and coughing. So we will unbox this one. We bought this for it's on special from the Good Guys, so it's from $299 to $259. so this is humidifier, because you know winter time is always they always get sick and coughing. So we will try this. This is what the doctor recommended. So we have here, it comes in this box. We bought two of these. So it's only tiny. It's very tiny. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a manual, and it also has a remote. So that's a remote and a manual, and it's very light as well. So with this one, you'll have to fill in with water, like I'll show you in a minute up close. So it's got a cable here, and you can also put a air freshener or oil in the bottom, like up here somewhere. So you can take this off. Oh my god, so stuck. Oops. So you can also put some essential oils here. So just there. And so yeah, it's got a touch button control here. And you just fill this with water. To lift this up, guys, and you can put water in there from the tap, and you just put that in here, and then you will just run it through the phone. It's Bluetooth connected, so you can, or either you can use a remote. So we will try it. Actually, let me just have a look where the oil goes. So this comes with this. This is the remote, and this is the cleaner. So you have to connect it with your phone. Aromatherapy. Press the aromatherapy of the side to the pad. Oh, okay. So you press here, and you just drop some aromatherapy oil here. Okay, so you can, so just put 2 to 3 drops of essential oil in this one, and then you can start it. Okay, so I'll show you guys up close and personal, and we will try it later. So this is how it looks like. It's so nice, the color. So this will be your touchpad here, but you'll just take off the sticker. So it is, you have to fill the tank up, and it fits to 20 to 40 meters square room. And yeah, so that's it. And you just have to fill it with water up to the maximum capacity. And this is where the humidifier is, I mean the aromatherapy is. So we'll plug it in and we will try. Okay. So we'll fill it up to the max. So I'm not putting it to the max yet because I have to carry it to my son's room. So that's how far it goes. But you can put it all the way to the maximum. So we'll put this this is the front, so we'll put this lid on. Put this lid on. That's it. So that's how it goes, and we'll turn it on. So we'll turn it on, guys. So that's how it works. So you have to connect it to the Wi-Fi, and you can also turn it on from here. There you go. You can either set it to automatic, and it will just sense itself, and now it's got a mist on top. Ooh. And then you can adjust the mist speed here. You can put it lower, the lowest, or you can put it highest. And it's also got a cleanser cleanser iron. But anyway, it's sensing the temperature inside the house, and it will also sense the humidity. So the humidity now is 30%. So it will automatically adjust itself. So its goal is to put it to 51% humidity, and you can also put it on a timer. So the temperature at the moment is 23 degrees Celsius. So you can put the mist as well to high or low. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna connect this to the phone, and then as you can see before, the mist is up. So that's all good to go. It's now connected to my phone, guys. So it's on a sleep mode now, and as you can see, the mist is there. You can adjust the mist. You can actually don't see it, but it's there. See? There you go. And it smells nice because I just put the peppermint there. So that's how it is, guys. And we'll put this in Zach's room now, and hopefully this keeps the bugs away and keep the cough to the minimum level. Minimum level. Anyway, that's the Breville, guys. The smart mist. Oh my God, there's a hair in there. A smart mist top connect humidifier. Okay, we'll turn it off and we'll put it in his room.